Hello and welcome back, friends. I'm super excited having you back in this video. So this video shows you a simple recipe for beef stew with potatoes. In a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is heated, add some diced onions and saute them for 5 minutes on medium heat until slightly translucent. Now bring in your cubed beef and brown for about 5 minutes on one side. You can flip the beef over and brown the other side for another 5 minutes until slightly browned. So this is one of the best ways of cooking your beef. So you start with the onions and then follow with the beef. That way the onion adds lots of flavor to the beef. Once all the beef pieces are well browned, season them with some beef bouillon stock cubes, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, salt, smoked paprika, grated ginger, and minced garlic. Give this a nice stir, let it combine beautifully. Now add about 2 cups of diced tomatoes and stir to mix together. It's now time to add in your peeled potatoes. For this recipe, I'm using some baby potatoes because they hold their shape during the cooking time, and they also add a nice creamy texture to the stew. However, you do not need any thickener for this stew. The potatoes will gladly thicken the stew beautifully. After adding the potatoes and everything is well combined, you can add 3 cups of plain water. Yes, you need that amount of water to help cook the potatoes and the beef until tender. Now add 3 sprigs of fresh thyme and then put a lid over the pot. Reduce heat to medium and then bring the mixture to a simmer for about 30 minutes or cook this until the beef is tender. So while the beef stew is simmering, you can go ahead and prep your vegetables. For this recipe, I'll be using some carrots and also some yellow, red, and green bell peppers. All these vegetables will not only add color, but they will also add texture and tons of flavor to the stew, making it a satisfying meal for everyone. When you're done prepping the veggies, you can get back to the beef stew and check. You can see the stew is beginning to make so much sense. You can also check on the potatoes and the beef to see if they are tender enough. Once they are, add your diced vegetables. So we are going in with the carrots and also the colored bell peppers. Season this again with some salt and cayenne pepper to taste. You can also adjust every other seasoning to your taste. Once you're happy with the taste of your beef stew, you can go ahead and garnish these with 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Just take a look at how creamy and delicious this beef stew with potatoes turn out to be. You don't need cornstarch or flour to thicken this. The potatoes will melt into it and turn it into a creamy porridge. So now the stew is sitting pretty, everything is well combined, the seasonings are just perfect, and your beef stew with potatoes is ready. You can take this off from heat, enjoy it as is. It's super delicious. You will definitely love this and enjoy this for lunch or dinner. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. You can share it with your friends. Until next time, I'd love to see you again. Bye.